What if your screen didn't just show images, but brought them into your space? What if your hands could shape holograms like clay or create 3D art with no headset needed? These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie, they're real technologies here and now. Today's inventions are breaking down the walls between the digital and physical worlds. Let's step into the future of interaction, where creativity and control feel more human than ever before. This video is sponsored by the Fire Digital, your all-in-one marketing solution. From branding and logo design to powerful websites, getting your site found on Google with SEO, and even video editing, they provide everything you need to grow your business online. Visit www.thefiredigital.com. The link's in the description. Sony ZIN. Sony's Innovation Lab has taken a massive leap into the future of digital art with a system called ZIN. It's a combination of advanced hardware and software that allows users to create high-quality 3D content in real time without needing a VR headset. At the heart of ZIN are feather-light Mo-Popey motion sensors weighing just 8 grams that attach to your body to capture movement precisely. Everything is tracked and rendered into a special 3D display that responds to your eyes using Sony's patented triple-axis eye-tracking tech. The result? A screen that lets you walk around your digital creation without putting anything on your face. Whether you're a professional designer or a curious beginner, ZIN lowers the barrier to entry and makes 3D CG creation feel as intuitive as drawing on paper. It's immersive, headset-free, and deeply creative, setting a new standard for what personal and professional 3D design can look like. With Sony behind it, this tech could soon change how content is made across gaming, animation, and virtual prototyping. Flexivol. Flexivol is one of those inventions that seems almost magical at first, until you realize it's a perfect blend of physics, projection, and human intuition. This system lets you touch, rotate, and reshape holograms using your fingers, just like you would with a physical object. It works using a set of flexible, vibrating ribbons that move up to 2,880 times per minute, synchronized precisely with a projector and guided by specialized algorithms. The result is a stable, tactile hologram that reacts to your gestures and doesn't glitch no matter where you're viewing it from. That's not all. Flexivol's creators also developed Pointer V, a laser stylus that lets you highlight holographic details with pinpoint accuracy. No more laser lines shooting awkwardly through a projection. The tech is 30% faster than current 3D mouses and could be used in everything from medical imaging to museum exhibits. Imagine exploring a digital sculpture or manipulating a virtual organ with your hands. It's futuristic, practical, and astonishingly real, turning holograms into tools you can not only see, but physically feel. Looking Glass Factory Display. Step aside flat screens. The Looking Glass Factory display brings images to life in a way that feels almost unreal. This 27-inch spatial holography display renders ultra-detailed 3D visuals that can be viewed from multiple angles without any glasses or headsets. It captures depth, lighting, texture, and transparency so realistically that objects like shoes, faces, or even architectural models appear as if they're floating inside a glass box. At $10,000, it's a serious tool, not a casual gadget, and it's already being used by industry leaders like Pixar and NVIDIA. The display integrates seamlessly with tools like Unity and Unreal Engine, making it ideal for designers, animators, medical professionals, and engineers. For professionals working with complex visuals, this technology doesn't just improve workflow, it transforms how we interact with digital content entirely. Newer Pen. Writing tools just got a futuristic upgrade. The Newer Pen is being called the smartest pen in the world, and for good reason. It features 3 built-in cameras that capture your handwriting, drawings, and sketches, not only digitizing them, but also transcribing your notes in real time. Whether you're in a lecture, a meeting, or working on an idea, it syncs everything to the cloud while also saving it internally. And despite all that tech, it still feels like a classic pen. It works with standard D1 ink cartridges, so you get that familiar writing sensation. The battery lasts up to 23 hours, meaning you can go days without recharging. It's the perfect bridge between analog and digital, giving creators, students, and professionals a tactile tool with futuristic intelligence baked right in. Aura Gesture-Controlled Drone. Who says drones are just for pros? The Aura drone is turning heads by letting you control flight with nothing but a glove on your hand. No joysticks, no phone app. Just wave your hand to flip, hover, or steer the drone midair. It's intuitive, fast, and surprisingly accurate, making it perfect for kids. But let's be honest, adults are going to love it too. Intended for ages 6 and up, this drone offers a low barrier to entry and tons of fun for first-timers. It's also a clever glimpse into the future of gesture-based control. With multiple drones flying at once, you could even organize races or aerial shows just by moving your hands. At just $59 per kit, it's one of the most accessible and entertaining innovations in this lineup. Glide Smart Cane. Navigating the world when you're visually impaired can be full of unseen challenges, but the Glide Smart Cane is stepping in to help. This AI-powered device combines robotics, navigation, and voice control into a modern mobility aid. It can detect doors, stairs, elevators, and even obstacles up to 15 meters away, whether you're following a preset route or exploring freely. Glide responds to voice commands, and a full charge gives users up to 6 hours of continuous assistance. It's currently in alpha testing, but the team plans to begin shipping soon. Think of it as a hybrid between a cane and a guide dog, only this one is powered by sensors and smart tech. For millions around the world, Glide could soon provide new levels of freedom, safety, and confidence. Care Station. Imagine walking into a sleek booth at a shopping mall or emergency zone and receiving full medical care without a doctor physically present. That's the promise of the Care Station, a self-contained telemedicine kiosk that functions like a mini clinic. Inside, you'll find a 65-inch screen that connects you to a live doctor, plus tools to measure your weight, blood pressure, temperature, and more. Need a stethoscope reading or a close-up skin exam? Just follow on-screen instructions to activate the camera or place the device on your chest. Doctors can diagnose most non-emergency conditions right then and there, and even prescribe medications. The whole setup is efficient, cost-effective, and scalable, making healthcare more accessible in busy urban areas or remote locations. This is the future of frontline care, compact, connected, and always ready. Neurologix Anura Magic Mirror. It looks like a sleek bathroom mirror, but inside, it's one of the most advanced health analysis tools on the planet. The Neurologix Anura Magic Mirror uses transdermal optical imaging to scan your face and gather real-time health data. No contact, no needles, no fuss. In just 30 seconds, it can assess over 100 health indicators, including blood pressure, skin condition, cardiovascular risk, and even signs of depression. The technology works by analyzing subtle changes in skin coloration, reflecting what's happening inside your body. There's no need to input personal data, just stand in front of it, and the system does the rest. It's still in the prototype stage, but the potential is massive. From home use to clinics and corporate wellness centers, this mirror could soon be the first step in daily health tracking, as effortless as brushing your teeth. Planterform Fogponics Garden. Forget soil and pots. Fogponics is here, and it's straight out of NASA. The Planterform garden grows leafy greens and herbs using a fine nutrient-rich mist instead of dirt or water baths. It's compact enough for a kitchen countertop and smart enough to manage everything, light, hydration, and growth cycles, via a connected app. All you have to do is insert the plant capsules, fill the water tank, and let the system do the rest. You'll only need to refill water every 2 weeks, making it ideal even for people who've never grown a thing in their life. The starter kit includes a Salamix capsule pack and sells for around $720. It's sustainable, efficient, and brings space-age farming right into your home. PowerRoll Solar Film. Traditional solar panels are bulky, rigid, and expensive, but PowerRoll is flipping the script. This ultra-thin, flexible solar film is light enough to roll up like wallpaper and can be applied to virtually any surface, from rooftops to curved walls. It uses micro-embossed grooves, over 500,000 per square meter, to collect and convert solar energy with 13% more efficiency than standard panels. Because it avoids rare materials like indium, PowerRoll panels are also cheaper to manufacture and easier to deploy in large-scale installations. Whether it's for schools, homes, or hospitals, this innovation brings clean energy into places where traditional panels just don't fit. It's a major leap for renewable energy, light, powerful, and easy to install. Sunbank Solar Water Heater. The Sunbank Solar Water Heater is a clever off-grid solution that heats your water using glass vacuum tubes and zero electricity. It contains no pumps, motors, or moving parts, which means it's ultra-durable and low maintenance. A standard 151-liter model can heat water up to 71 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for homes, cabins, or even commercial properties. It's built with a stainless steel tank, performs reliably in various climates, and can dramatically reduce your utility bills. Plus, in many areas, installing one can make you eligible for green energy tax credits. It's a powerful reminder that not every brilliant invention needs to look futuristic. Sometimes the smartest tech is the simplest to use. UE Make E1 UV Printer. The UE Make E1 may look like a desktop printer, but it can do what no regular printer can: create stunning visuals on virtually any surface. Want to print on mugs, wood, rocks, leather, or even glass? No problem. It uses a UV-sensitive peel-off film that sticks to surfaces with vivid color and even textured 3D designs. It's already raised over $17.5 million on Kickstarter, and it's still going strong. Designed for creators, DIYers, and small businesses, this printer removes the need for expensive commercial equipment. At around $1,700, it's not cheap, but if you're looking to customize products or launch your own line, it's a serious game changer. From mirrors that detect your mood to printers that personalize anything, these inventions prove one thing: the boundary between physical and digital is fading fast. Innovation today isn't just about solving problems, it's about unlocking new ways to live, create, and connect. Whether you're designing in 3D without a headset or growing salad in a space garden, the future is already in your hands. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us which invention blew your mind the most. Because what's coming next might be even wilder.